Hello everybody, my name is Smolika from Jam and Panther team at Prolifix. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to build Panther executables using Microsoft Visual Studio project files. So here we are going to see where to find this project file, from where you can get this file, and how to update the properties of this project file and what exactly you need to update in this project file. And finally, how to build the Panther's runtime and development applications using this project file. So here for my demo, I'm going to use Microsoft Visual Studio Compiler 2019 and the latest version of Panther, that is 5.53, and I'm going to do it on Windows, and that is the 32-bit environment. And the most important thing is, in order to build this executable, the SM base must be set in your environment. For example, my Panther installation directory is Panther 5.53 in the C drive, so I can set the SM base to this location. And as a side note, if you'd like to get the Panther product, then you can email us at support@prolifix.com. Or if you would like to know more about the product, then you can visit our documentation, that is at docs.prolifix.com. So now let's have a look into these project files. So here I have two project files in my repository, one for the Panther development application, that is ProDev, and another for the Panther runtime application, that is ProRun. So usually these project files are provided with the product. So you can find them inside the link folder. There is a subdirectory called MSVC. So here you can see different versions of project files for the different versions of compiler, the Visual Studio compilers, but these are older versions of compiler. If you would like to get the latest version of project file, which I'm going to use now, so you may reach out to us at support@prolifix.com, as I mentioned earlier. And now let's see what exactly is in the project file. So this project file is for ProDev. So as you can see here, there are various configuration environment variables set. And as I mentioned, that you must have the SM base set, because this project file is picking up that SM base variable from the environment. And here at the bottom, we are pointing all the libraries that are going to be linked with this ProDev executable. So if you have your own library or you have any object module that is provided with the patch, you can add them here in front of these libraries in this additional dependencies section. And similarly, here, if you have your own C file or custom C file which you want to link with this executable, you can point them here. You can include that C file under this item group section. And same goes with the runtime application, that is ProRun. You can point the library here and the source file here. So now let's see how to build these executables in the Visual Studio IDE. So this is my Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 IDE, and here I can open my project. So now let's open that. So here I have my project file. So let's first try to build this ProDev using this project file. Okay, so it is opened here. And you can see here, these C files are being linked with this ProDev. And if you would like to change any properties or any directories, the configuration environment, then you can click on the properties option, and here you will find various options for linking in and the compiling options. You can change the include directory, or you can just see the command line output for this, and same with the linking option here, or other options you can change here. All right, so now let's try to rebuild this. So I'll again right click on this, and I will click on this build option on the top. So here you can notice it is trying to build this executable, and here you can see the message that the build was successful. So now let's see the output. Okay, so here I got the ProDev build. You can notice the time, date and time, and my application was built successfully. And same goes with the ProRun. So let me just close this project. I don't want to save this. Okay, so here I got the auto suggestion from my history. So I'm going to open this ProRun and I'm going to run this again. So right click and build. And here you can notice the message that the build was successful. And I should have got the ProRun. Yeah, so here is the application. So this is how I can build the ProDev and ProRun using my project files using the Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 IDE.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please press the subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.